Hey guys, so this is a very quick 60-second overview of how to create a proposal from a form that's supplied to your business. Now that can be through a type form, it could be through Google Forms, whatever method of collection you use. I'm going to do it really quickly. So you can see here on the screen that we are watching for responses on a type form, and that will have basic categories such as a name of a contact and the name of a business, an email. And it's generally, in this instance, used to create and collect data when you're having a conversation on the phone with somebody. So it's a very sort of warm opening call. And you can fill it in as you go. But anyway, that information is stored, whatever you need in order to assess a person's or a business's problems or needs. Then we collect the responses here with this Typeform list responses module. After that, we then generate a proposal, and it's generated because we use a variable system within a proposal. In this example, we're going to use PandaDocs, and it just collects that information and then applies some form of AI in order to generate an assessment of the problem that's been identified and propose a solution based on the knowledge of that business's problem. So we do this in JSON format by setting up a few bits of information, such as what's the project description, problem, solution, tools might be needed, etc. And then after passing that JSON, it gets put into a PandaDoc. And I'll give you a quick show of the template here, where we have these variables. Just move myself out of the way. That get automatically filled from this template. So there's a lot of boilerplate stuff here, but more crucially, we identify the business's problems, and then we give an overview of it, and then propose solutions and any tools required. And what that means is that is created instantly, or certainly within a matter of a few seconds. And then you can email the client straight away or the prospect with that proposal and request either a further meeting or even provide an invoice. I can show you on a separate automation. Or you can just hold it and then review it and then send it on thereafter in a more manual way. But this is a very, very handy automation for any business to be doing to automate that important part of the sales funnel.